Hey fam, welcome to Next In. Today in this video I'll show you how to get unique Instagram feed like this. Instagram has not launched this update globally. Now you have this boring Insta feed. But if you want your Instagram feed like this, so watch this video till end. Firstly, open your Chrome browser and type Instagram beta. And click on search. Then click on first link to join beta tester of Instagram. Then click on become a taster. Then all done, congrats, you are beta tester of Instagram. Then check the account you logged in. Then close the app and open Google Play Store and search Instagram. And you see the Instagram beta update. Then just click on update. After installation, click on Open Instagram and you see the update. This takes some time for the update, and the update work only on your main account. So if you like this video, share this video with your friends so they also get this update.